times when you stitch a decorative stitch, or maybe even a stitch that goes side to side in different directions, and it just doesn't turn out the way the picture is showing. And that's usually because you're stitching over some fabric that might be a little squishy, might have some nap to it, like fleece or corduroy. So in the Pfaff sewing machines, there is an option that allows you to balance out the stitch. So I've gone ahead and selected one of the sideways motion stitches, and we're going to touch the balance. So here's the trick on this particular screen. You're going to take a look at the problem stitching on your fabric and change this picture to look like the problem one, and then the machine compensates and makes it look like it's supposed to. So for example, if your stitch is a little bit squished together, then move the decorative stitch on screen, squish together. If it looks a little bit more open than it should, go ahead and kind of open it up. And you can go both directions. If you got one that's kind of a little sideways, see how this part moved over this way, it's kind of stitching out kind of sideways. You can set this for exactly what you are looking for. Then when you go ahead and touch the check mark, internally the feed dogs are going to switch the stitch just enough so that it looks just like you see on the screen on the fabric you are sewing on.